Alright, it looks like nothing. Can't even see any of those icicles. iPhone 13. Sorry, I didn't mean that. I mean, iPhone 13 is great. It's just really muddled in there. Anyways, just amateur rock hunting, BC. Pretty sure that these are a bunch of slate cliffs. We had a big snow the last few days, so I can't really get in there. But gray, a lot of lines, a little bit of like light gray, and then brown, oxidized copper. You can see a lot of like splits. In the summertime, there's always lots of people like in here, standing underneath here, grabbing pieces of slate. And I always kind of chuckle because like, well, I mean, I'm going to be one of those idiots, I guess, probably. That could fall on you, right? I feel like this is going to be a terrible video, but anyways, you kind of see the lines there. You can see the lines real good where the slate, very well where the slate is broken. And I was just learning today that like slate's like the first form of metamorphic rock, gneiss being the last. Here's my trail. I'm just going for a walk because I was bored. But this whole stretch here, now you get the good part of the video if you stayed tuned, is slate. And then there's like this little creek here with tiny little stones in it. So up here farther, there's actually like a better icicles, and the beginning of a Forest Service road. I stopped filming so I don't film any cars.